Hello all, welcome to Forest Biology. So there is an very important update that is related to UG NEET medical, dental and Ayush courses. This is the instructions, not for the mock seat allotment, which I have done, which I have told you in the previous video. So this is for the first round of allotment. What and all you should know, the procedure after you get college or course allotted. So this is very important video. So please do share it to others so that they'll have an idea about what to do. So I'll just briefly tell you what and all is there given in this. Who should submit the original documents after you get the candidates have been allotted government seat in private medical colleges and private seat in private medical colleges. That is government seat in private medical college and private seat in private medical college is nothing but the GMP. And if they select choice one after you have been allotted a college, and if you select choice 1, then only submit the original documents at KEA Bangalore with one set of attested photocopies as per their eligibility. At that time you have to go and submit the original documents at KEA and with one set of attested photocopies as per their eligibility. Eligibility is nothing but your category certificates, income certificates. If you have those things, you have to submit the original and the photocopies. So they have given what are the documents to be submitted. That is the choice one printout. A slip you'll print out, this thing will get that you have to submit after the results are announced. You will get this verification slip. However, you will have it all the original documents. Annexure 1, Annexure 9. This is very important, that is Rural Service Board. I'll just tell you what it is. Before that, what you have to do, the steps is, first you have to pay the fee. Then fee payment is in bank. They'll give the procedure how to do it all. Then you have to deposit the original documents. That is at KEA. Downloading collection of admission order. You have to collect it or you can download it from the website. You have to go and report to the college, entering the college joining status on the KEA portal. After you report to the college, there will be a joining status given in the option entry thing where you enter the options. There you have to enter that you have reported that college. This is very important, so you have to do this step at any cost. Okay, so this is the steps, and this is only for the choice one candidates which I am telling. And what is this compulsory rural services? All candidates who have taken admission to medical course shall undergo 1 year compulsory rural service in government hospital as per Karnataka Compulsory Service Training by candidates completed medical courses Act 2012 as amended in this year, and the Karnataka Compulsory Service by candidates completed medical courses according to this rule. So you have to, whoever take admission to the medical course should compulsorily do a 1 year rural service in the government hospital as per the Karnataka rules and regulations. So please note this down. And please note that the candidates will be entitled to only temporary registration till completion of such service. Till the completion of the 1 year thing, you will not be given as a doctor. So after that only, you will be given as a doctor. Until they complete the same, they will not be entitled for permanent registration. After you become a doctor, you have to do a registration and all. So until this is completed, you will not be able to do the registration. All the candidates who will be allotted medical seats through KEA, both in government and private medical colleges, should compulsorily submit sworn affidavit to the principal of the respective college at the time of admission. That should be done in a 100 rupees stamp paper signed by the candidate and parent as per the format hosted on the KEA website. They will host a format in which you have to give that I will be doing this rural service for the 1 year, regarding 1 year rural service after the completion of the course. So this is the main thing which you have to, some people wouldn't know this, so I'm just telling it again and again. So you have to do a compulsory rural service for 1 year. Okay, next, deposition of documents for the first round, like after the results are announced. The candidates who have been allotted dental or Ayush seat need not submit the originals at KA Bangalore, but they must compulsorily submit the original documents at respective colleges at the time of admission. So who have been allotted dental or Ayush seat shouldn't submit the documents to KU. Only the medical students who will give the choice one have to submit it at KA, whereas the dental or Ayush seat students who have been allotted, they shouldn't submit at KA, they should give it to the college at the time of their admission. The candidates who have been allotted medical seat in government medical colleges need not submit the original at KA, Bangalore, but they must compulsorily submit the original documents at the respective colleges at the time of admission. So, if you have been allotted a medical seat, that too in government medical colleges only, then you can submit it to the respective college at the time of admission. You should not submit it to KA. If you have been allotted in a private medical college, it may be a government seat or a private seat, you have to submit it to KA. And one more thing is this rural service is for both government and private. If you join a government college as well as a private college, you have to do a rural service for 1 year. The candidate who have been allotted medical seat under NRI or others quota in private medical college, they also have no need to submit at KA. They must submit the original documents at their respective colleges at the time of admission. So who and all should submit at KA is, you get a government seat in a private college or a private seat in a private college. If you are getting in private college, then you have to submit it in KA. If you are getting MBBS seat in government colleges, government medical colleges, you have to submit it in the respective college. If you are getting dental or Ayush seat in any college, then you have to submit it in the college only, not at KEA. And if you are getting a seat in the NRI or others quota that in the private medical colleges, that time also you have to submit it in the college only, not at the KEA. So this is all about the choice one thing where you have to submit the original documents, etc. So here they have given the choices. A brief note on the payment, deposition of original documents, report to the college, which I told it earlier, and these are the choices given here. So see, after you have been allotted a college, you have 4 choices to do. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 or choice 4. You have to select any one of them. First, I'll tell you the easiest one, that is choice 4. That is, you are exiting from the UG NEET 2021 counseling for all the courses for this year. Means you don't want to participate in further rounds and you have been exited from the UG NEET counseling this year for any round, first round, second round. You will not be able to participate if you choose choice 4. So be careful while choosing the choices. In the choice 1, they have given all these things, what to do, where to do and all. So choice 1 candidate should pay the prescribed fees. Even the choice 2 candidate should pay the prescribed fees. Choice 3 candidates, no need to pay the fees as there is no seat in his or her favor. Choice 1 and choice 2, choice 1 means I am happy with the college and I'll join that college for sure. That is choice 1. Choice 2 means I'm happy with the college, but I want to see if I get a good college, better college than this thing, then I'll upgrade it to that. At that time also you have to pay a fees because you are holding that seat. If you have if you have told like I don't want that seat only, then you would not pay fees. That is choice 3 thing. So these two you have to pay fees. In this one you don't need to pay the fees. Deposition of original documents, as I told earlier, yes, you have to submit the original documents and you can go through the video again. And downloading of admission order, you have to download the admission order, go report to the college. It is simple. Choice 2, you should pay the fees, and the deposition of original documents is not now. At a later stage after publication of schedule for deposition of the documents. When they publish a schedule for the document deposition, that time you can go and deposit for the choice 2 candidates. And downloading of admission order, reporting to Kura. This process is done only when you get when you tell that the seat is fine, I'm happy with the seat and I'll go to the same college with the same course. So choice 2 candidates not allowed to download the admission order or report to the college, as a candidate is willing to participate in the second round by holding the first round allotted seat. If higher options get allotted, then earlier allotted seat gets cancelled automatically. or if higher option seats are not allotted, then the earlier allotted seats shall remain in the candidate's favor. This is very simple. If you have got a seat and you choose choice 2, you may get a better seat. If you don't get a better seat, then this seat only remains for you. And if you get a better seat, the first round seat gets cancelled for you. This is simple. Choice 3 candidates, as I told, you no need to pay the fees as you're not holding any seat. And this also you have to submit the documents after they publish the schedule. And the downloading of admission order and reporting to the college, not eligible to download both of them, as the candidate is willing to participate in the second round without holding the first round allotted seat. And choice 4, as I already said, you want to exit from the counseling itself and you don't want to participate in this year at any rounds. So be very careful while choosing the choices. Take everyone's opinion, choose wisely. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. So please go through the document and as well as the video, and please share this video so that maximum number of people get utilize the video, and they let them know how to do the choices and what to do the original how to submit the original documents and all. So thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe and comment if you have any queries, and if I know, I'll just try to help you people out. Thank you.